Hey guys, welcome to Market Bag. I am Kelsey and I am back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with a budget of $2,500 and we're gonna see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard, how are you?
Not too bad, you know.
Can you tell me what produce in the markets are up and what's down this week?
Well, sweet pepper up, onion up, carrot going up. Yam take time to take control and space up again. But certain little things up on the regular price. But them people up, Aki still lead.
Is there a reason why the prices are increasing this week?
Yeah, planting time again, reaping are done. So, you know, say all next week, a 2 times money. Week after by now, August, straight from now till August, you go have deer market in a certain part of the market. Certain food in the market are going to be very expensive, all in the August part. But otherwise than that, we're not hungry, we are going all right.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I am Kelsey.